Guys, I can't. Hey, don't bite it yet.
자꾸만 웃음이 나 어린아이 장난 같아.
We got this, and then if you're cold during the winter time, okay, this is what I'm gonna be using. No, because homegirl's about to break her friggin' back just carrying this. Excuse me? Do you know how many things that I got in that bag? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name's Angelica. Today we are gonna do another ultimate huge unboxing of Temu. And I know from the last two videos previously that we've done, y'all just like, can't get enough. It's like pure entertainment, just like I guess me unboxing the most randomest things possible, because what is Temu? Temu is an online marketplace where you can find great bargains and great hidden gems as well. Affordable prices, high quality products, multiple categories, and more. We're talking about pet decor, we're talking about kitchen, we're talking about toys, we're talking about literally everything that you could possibly think of. For those who click on unboxings, I know y'all wanna go straight into it, so we're gonna do that. By the way, if you didn't know, Temu is having a site-wide sale with savings up to 90% off. I kid you not. New users get first purchase discounts, so that's honestly pretty nice. I know last time you guys used my code and literally loved your guys' purchase. Oh yeah, did I also say that there is free shipping and free returns up to 90 days? I feel like not a lot of places do that, but it's just the fact that, you know, you're balling on a budget here. You're ordering so many things, and you can also return up to 90 days. That is crazy. I know y'all thinking, oh my gosh, like what if, you know, like I'm balling on a budget right now and I literally don't want to like spend on everything. Well, there is Afterpay and secure payments for all customers. All right, so let's get straight into it. I'm so excited. My dog is literally sitting right here watching me. He's probably like, did you get me anything? By the way, I don't remember ordering anything specific. Well, I did, but I just don't remember because it's been a while. But I ended up getting a bathroom rug. I love how soft these are too, like not gonna lie. And I'm pretty sure they have the little grippers at the end too. You guys see that? Love this aesthetic. I love this feel. Yeah, whenever you get out of the shower, it's really cold and I don't wanna like slip and literally hit my head somewhere on the ground. Looks like for this one, I did order extra socks. The past 2 times, or the past 3 times that I've like ordered from Temu, I've ordered socks because they are so high quality and it's like actually affordable. Yeah, less than like $3 for a whole pack versus let's say that you went to a big box store like at the mall. Yeah, it's literally $20 for like 3 pairs. I kid you not. So I got these black ones. They stop at your ankle, so it's nice. I don't have a lot of black socks, surprisingly. I got white ones too. My sister keeps stealing my socks. Okay, this is what I was excited for. This is like kind of like an adulting thing, but y'all are probably like, what is this? My dog literally had his ears up. This is not a toy in specific, but it's when you wash your clothes and dry them, you put these in there so it's like less staticky. But anyways, you put 1 or 2 of these in the dryer. So I guess I got the super clean gel. You can literally use it to clean your keyboards, your car, and I kind of got it for my car because like my parents be using my car sometimes and like literally dirtying it up. There's crumbs everywhere. I barely eat in there. And I don't know why, but it's just like there's like little tiny stuff and like there's dust everywhere obviously on my screen. So homework kind of needs this, okay? Especially when my boyfriend's gonna come and I literally just dented my car. The least I could do is clean the interior, so it looks kind of semi-nice. Okay, I know what y'all thinking. I thought you'd use those like furry animal headbands for like when I, you know, get ready and stuff in the morning. I do have 3 different types of colors, but I wanted to try one of these because when I do my makeup, the animal headbands kind of like suffocate me depending on like the size of it. So for example, if I just like do this and do my makeup, it just literally, it stays like that. Do you guys see that? It is just absolutely like, it's pretty. I wouldn't wear this out probably, but it literally does its job pulling my hair back and like it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It doesn't squeeze my head to the point where it wants to pop. My brother is probably gonna steal one of these because he has really long hair. So I got this comb. It's like a defurminator kind of a thing for pets. My dog sheds so much, you guys. I kid you not. It's not okay. Come here. It just comes out like, oh, he's scratching. He likes it. You guys see that? He likes it. Good. Gosh, this is kind of funny, not gonna lie. So I'm only combing like maybe like 15 times. And I kid you not, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys what it actually looks like. Look at that. I can't. This button, you just push it out and I guess the fur comes out. Just like that. Now, what is this? I love this gray and like cream aesthetic to it. I'm scared. Oh yeah, I forgot. I ordered a portable umbrella set and look how small it is. I needed this so bad in New York when it was pouring down raining for 3 days straight. But look at that. You just open this up. Ooh. Okay. Do you see that? Okay, this is cute. And my umbrella is white for the first time on the outside and black interior. So all you gotta do is just clasp it together. Just like that. That is crazy. I love this. I'm definitely gonna bring this to New York and Georgia when I do go in October. This is for me and my sister, by the way. Oh my gosh, she's gonna literally be so like excited because they're different colors, by the way, but I just really ordered it because I enjoyed the aesthetic of it in general. It has its own lanyard to it. Tell me why this is the most precious thing ever. I know it's pretty small, but I could literally bring this around like for my dog if I'm on a hike, but I don't really want to take something super heavy. This is so perfect. Tell me why this is so cute too. I kind of want to keep this color, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just have her pick because I'm like fine with either color. But do y'all see? Oh my goodness. Wow. This is crazy. I've been needing this so bad, you guys, since mine broke. But it's basically a label printer. So I sell and grow rare exotic plants. So like each will be in like clear cups. So they look all, like almost the same, you know? Instead of spending $35 online, you can literally spend way than half the price for the same product, guys. You're saving money here with this. Okay, this is something random I ordered, but I just don't know why. I ordered some kind of like container. This is perfect. Little tiny cute thing. Oh my goodness, this is funny. I wanted to get this vacuum cleaner from my car. It's portable, by the way, so it's pretty small. And I wanted to use this because I wanted to keep one in my car at all times. I just don't like it when people eat in my car. I'm very OCD about stuff like that. Just kind of like plug it in different nozzles in a way. There's this too. But I honestly like using something like this because I'm used to my vacuums having something like that anyways. You gotta do what you gotta do in order to have a clean car. Okay, this is funny. But I put this in the wash and I forgot what this does exactly. The other one was the dry ball, is for the dryer, and this one's for like the washer. Just kind of put it in there and I kind of forgot what it does. It does something where it takes away dog hair or something, or maybe it's the other one, I don't remember. Either or, okay? I'll try it out and I'll tell you guys how it is in another vlog. But these are really cute because it has little tiny bears. What did I freaking buy? What is this? Guys, it's for my dog. He even knew, like, what's up? Guys, this is gonna be the cutest thing ever. I got this color so it can match my aesthetic. I thought this was like, it was supposed to be gray, but it looks like gray blue a little bit. I mean, either or, I don't really mind. But it's the fact that this is so adorable. Guys, I can't. Hey, don't bite it yet. Your dog bed, lay down. So big. Temu. He loves it already. It is so spacious and big for him. It's actually bigger than his bed now. These are kind of like Jesus sandals, like heaven cloudy shoes, okay? I know that was a weird way to describe it, but these are so adorable. Like, I kid you not, guys. Wow, it feels so comfortable. I love it. Gives me a little boost, like an inch. Next thing, I don't even know how many products I bought. This is so adorable. Hello. And they gave me a little bear. Does this bear have blush or is it me? I got this because I just feel like this is the perfect bag to kind of go on a hike with, or like, I don't know, just go on vacation for like a weekend. They even gave me little tiny pins. My sister's gonna love these pins. Look at this keychain. It's like all bear themed. Do you know what I mean? Look at this. This is cute. Good luck. I should definitely give this to her on her first week of school, which she starts in about 2 weeks. Rainbow. That. And you can put your folder in here. This is a great back to school like backpack, honestly. Look, fall is coming up and I am just in love with the sweater themed patterns. Look, it says more. But I love that smiley face. And then this is so cute too because it says smiley. Smiley face right here. And then also says lucky day. With all this stuff that you're giving me, it is in fact a lucky day. So I decided I wanted another smiley one. And it literally looks like Bieber. Hello. Yes, the fit is giving smiley. It's giving joy. It's giving happiness. I don't know why this is in a different color bag rather than like it being in the Temu bags, but I'm curious. What is this? So I got these little like Swifter mat thingies where I can just put it on the thing and then it'll just, I think it's a Swifter mat. Oh gosh, this is the only thing I don't remember what it is exactly, but I'm pretty sure this is for wiping the ground because my dog has really bad fur, like shedding. Y'all are gonna be surprised about this, but I wanted to buy these Vase, and I gotta be careful because I'm not trying to have it break on me, you know what I mean? This is the aesthetic right here. It's a little bit more like, yeah, a little light yellow cream. It comes in a pack of 2, guys. Look at that, a small one and a big one. You could just do it side by side like this. Home decor, crazy. Okay, last but not least, I bought only one clothing item because I just have way too many clothes to begin with, and I did order clothes last time. I just wanted more like items. But there's these parachute pants, all white, adjust it at the very bottom. I actually genuinely like these. You could wear this like with the bikini underneath, right? Or just like no-show underwear or like no underwear. I don't even know, honestly. Pockets actually work. It's not one of those falsy, you know, type of parachute, cargo pants or whatever. It's very thin, so I definitely wear this on vacation, and you could definitely just like cinch it right here if you wanted to. Okay, so this does reach the end of this video. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Special thanks to Temu for sponsoring this video. If you download the Temu app through my link in the description bar or code in the description, you can get $100 in coupons for free. So why would you pass up that offer? Literally just try it. So let me know how it is. There's a lot of different types of products, and I'm sure that you're gonna like fall in love with some of them just like me. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way, you know, I'm always posting the entire week. We'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye!
But she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door.